Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I actually filmed a video, and today's actually a very highly requested video that a lot of people have been asking me about, which is my eyebrow tutorial. So if you keep watching, then you will definitely see like the steps and see how easy it is just to create like this eyebrow look. So what I'm doing first is priming my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Primer and with the mattifying loose powder from the same line, and just brushing it over my eyebrows just so it's not like oily within the entire day, because I do not like the look of greasy eyebrows. I'm now using my favorite eyebrow pencil from Browluxe, which is a precision brow pencil in the shade Coal. This packaging is so cute, and you'll understand why I love this pencil so much. It's dual-sided, just like any other eyebrow pencil. It does come with a fine pencil tip, which why I love this pencil so much, and then just a spoolie at the end. Always brush your eyebrows hair first, just so you have more control of your brow. And the way I like using this pencil is just using very, very, very light strokes. Just because with eyebrow pencils, you don't need to go so harsh and heavy, because a little goes such a long way with this pencil, and you'll understand why. We're also going to pencil in the top of my brow, and also we're going to do the end of my eyebrow, so the tail, just so it can create like a really nice arc. So I'm just going to keep shading in my brow until I feel like it's a full look. And I'm just going to take the other side and just blend in the pencil with my brow. Now that my brows are colored in and nicely shaped, I'm going to take some concealer, and the concealer that I'm actually going to be using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and I've been using this concealer for so long to do my brows. I start by placing the concealer under my brows, and I just take that flat brush and then just basically smooth it out so the concealer is all even and it's not going in different places in my eyebrow. And I go very slow when I create the shape of my brow with the concealer, because I want to make sure that it's perfect. And I know eyebrows aren't supposed to be completely perfect, but at least identical. So while I'm actually done concealing the bottom, I actually let the concealer sit because I find that when I let it sit, it actually just makes a really nice highlight. So now we are going to start with the top, and I actually don't place the concealer directly onto my forehead. I actually place some concealer on the back of the brush, and then I just start concealing on top. Okay, so perfect. So that side is done, and like I said, we're gonna let that concealer sit. So I actually did the other brow off camera, but as you can see, the concealer is sitting, and now we're just going to blend that concealer out. So now that it's all blended in really nice, we're just going to take that spoolie at the other side of the brow pencil and just basically just blend in the pencil and the hairs really nice. I like to brush the front just because I really want a nice like ombre natural effect. We are now going to take my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Brunette, and I've been using this brow mascara for actually quite a while, probably like maybe 3 years, and I haven't switched. But I love brow mascaras in general because I feel like it really just makes your hair in your brows stay intact and it doesn't really move. And we are all done. If you guys are more interested in videos that you actually want to see me doing or like tutorials, you can comment in my comments below. And yeah, and just keep watching and stay tuned.